Hello everyone, welcome to GB Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it, enable notification for more ongoing videos. Right, we are continuing on Postman series. Right, today's class we'll see schema validation. Right, what is schema validation? Right, suppose if we take whether JSON response, suppose whenever we will execute, suppose this is the user, get users. Right, we got the expected response, but I want to know whether ID is integer, name should be string, email should be string format, right, or gender will be right string format, status will be in string format, right. Gender should come in either female or male. I want to validate gender should be male or female. Right, status should be active or inactive. Right, some schema validation means the type of JSON strings should contain proper data types and proper values. Right, then how to do it? Right. There are some websites to generate the schema for us. If you provide the JSON data, it will provide the schema. Suppose if I take this, right, we'll go to I have already opened. Right, you can JSON to schema converter, just we can type it. Right, we can open this first one, Liquid Technologies. Right, just paste JSON, paste the JSON and click on the generate schema. It will generate. Right, here it is generating multiple things. Right, only it is generating as an array. Right, we have provided here array, so it is provided for each object. It is, we don't require all, just one is fine. Right, we have to copy. Right, just right, copy this. Right, paste. Right, we don't require this schema. We delete this. Right, just we require type is array. Right, our response type is array. Then each one is one object. Right, each one is one object. Then here properties are there. ID is integer. We are expecting ID integer, name string, email, gender, status. These are all required. Right, mandatorily should come. Right, next one is also same. We don't require for all. Only one is fine. Right, just remove remaining. Right, we require one object is fine. Right, delete. We must be very careful while deleting. Right, just copy this and come to scripts. Right, come to scripts section. Right, here create a constant schema equal to paste. Right, I have pasted already. Right, paste it. Paste this. Right, it should not show any errors. If it is any errors, means there should be some bracket or something missing. Then additional to this, right, I have added gender. One more is enum. That should be, I want only the gender should populate only male or female, either male or female. Status will be active or inactive. Right, we can keep the comma and we can write enum square brackets, enum colon square brackets, active and inactive. I am expecting status should be only active, inactive. Right, once it is pasted, Then here we can create pm.test validate response body or something, validate schema. Right, we can keep otherwise validate schema. Okay. Then here pm.response.to have JSON schema and pass this variable. We have created constant schema, right? Pass this schema. Now run it. Let's see, successfully executed. Red schema also validated. Now you will get a doubt whether it is really working. Right. I also got doubt. Right. For that, what I have done, for ID I change it to string. Suppose I want to verify whether it is working or not. Let's see. Assertion error. Expected ID should be string. Right. We are expecting string, but it came integer. Right. It came integer, so it is failed. So it is validating correctly. Suppose enum. Suppose I am changing female to something else. Right, if we come to test results, see, it is also failed. Right, so schema is validating perfectly. Schema is validating perfectly. Right, wherever we want, if we want to validate any schema, right, we can generate the schema and just we have to write simple like this. Right, if they ask any additional things, then just here I have added enum, right, only these two values. Right, we can, right, if they ask any additional things, we can also add those things. Right, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting videos. If you have any comments or suggestion, please comment in the comment box. Right, please share to your friends, like the video. Thanks for watching.